Welcome to the Morning Howl. I'm Blakely Hall.
And I'm Addison Greer. Here are the news for this week.
The Creative Writing and Newspaper Club will meet this afternoon until 3:45.
Tomorrow during 8th period, we will have our first ever pep rally. 8th period athletes will be recognized, wear your Den colors, and be ready to complete our first ever Stake Spirit Week at LCMS.
Here are the birthdays this week. Happy birthday! Thursday night, there will be an open house here at Liberty Creek for both the middle school and the high school from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Parents are invited to come see the campus and meet your teachers.
The first 9 weeks of school ends this Friday. To celebrate, students with no missing work or discipline referrals are invited to spend their related arts block in the courtyard with your fellow classmates. Please bring money for concessions.
Attention wrestlers, the Liberty Creek Wrestling Club will have registration October 19th from 5:30 to 7 in the field house. See Coach Smith or the Liberty Creek Facebook page for more information.
Here's this week's code of conduct. Learn from your mistakes and move on.
These don't sound right.
It's not how you put headphones on. Flip them over and then do that.
Oh, this is a great learning experience.
Okay, Chloe, come up here and answer this question, please. Fish. 2 plus 2 equals okay.
Fish.
Well, it's wrong. It's on the right track. It's almost
wrong?
right. It's almost right. Let me show you what the right answer is. See if you can figure out why you went wrong. You see now?
Oh, that makes sense. That was a great learning experience.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
I think it's this flag.
Oh! And to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
That was a great learning experience.
Gosh. What are they doing?
I don't know what they're doing.
Oh.
What are you doing?
We're supposed to be in here.
Oh, you are?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are.
Who's on the phone?
No one.
No one?
My parents.
Oh, your parents?
Yeah, my parents. Hey,
Who's Blake?
don't worry about it.
We're supposed to be
We're
in
supposed to be in
Yeah.
here.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whose class are you supposed to be in?
Miss Brewer's.
Miss Brewer?
Mm-hmm.
So if I went over there to go ask her, she would say y'all are supposed to be in here?
Yeah.
And on your phone?
No!
Okay, this is going to the office, and you two girls are coming with me.
That was a great learning experience. I'm never gonna do that again.
Learn from your mistakes and move on. Excuse me, who are you?
I'm Anna. I'm Wonder Woman. I'm Carly.
Excuse me, who are you?
I'm Wonder Woman. I'm Captain Marvel.
This is this week's Den Points. Who do you think is winning?
Swan Hill, 196.
Sangreal, 262.
Kintaro, 235.
Alu, 423.
For Liberty Creek News, I'm Lakeland Hall.
And I'm Addison Greer. Have a great week.
Day,
Week.
day,
Week.
day,
Week. Week.
day.